Forensic science. Forensic science includes any science that is used for the purpose of the law. They provide objective and unbiased information. Their work can be applied to criminal, civil, or other types of disputes. Forensic scientists use their knowledge to help lawyers, juries, and judges understand the results of scientific tests. The reason why my group picked this topic was because basically you see forensic science in a lot of different types of media, such as movies, shows, or documentaries. It seems like a career where you could experience a lot of different situations, and it probably involves a lot of problem solving and negotiating. Learning about the various facets of forensic science shows us how diverse it is and how someone can learn a lot from it. It requires a lot of thought and problem solving, and it seems a lot more interesting than the average desk job.
The focus of forensic science is based on the recognition, identification, and evaluation of physical evidence. These categories are split into three major groups: forensic pathologist, forensic scientist, and associated scientists. Forensic pathologists are medical examiners and people that oversee autopsies / clinical forensic examinations. Forensic scientists are professionals who work with law enforcement, the government, or private labs, and are responsible for specific tests and analysis. Associated scientists are professionals who lend their knowledge for forensic science. Positions within the career, such as the FBI. The FBI evaluates explosive / incendiary device analysis. They have forensic scientists who evaluate DNA, hair, latent fingerprints, firearms, tool marks, and question documents, etc. They also have information technology specialists. These people are known as forensic examiners, ITS-FE. Companies within the career. There are companies in the forensic science categories such as RTI International. They're a local organization with Raleigh. Different hospitals, laboratories, assurance services such as anti-fraud services and investigations. Forensic advisors such as SOS International LLC, and the government organizations such as FBI, Secret Service, and state government such as SBI.
As a forensic scientist, the salary varies greatly depending on which sector you end up working in. For example, as a biologist working for a DNA analysis unit or forensic science unit, the starting salary can be anywhere from $27,000 to $44,000, but there is a lot of potential for this to increase. Alternatively, you can work in the field of the forensic science as part of the federal executive branch, earning a substantial amount compared to when you work in local or state, making about $95,000 a year. Because of the variety of sectors you can work in for forensic science, there are naturally many different types of working conditions. You can work in the court system helping the judge and jury analyze forensic science data, in a lab for a government job, or even out in the field investigating crime scenes. There are plenty of opportunities you can take in order to gain more experience within the field of forensic science. Companies like Aerotech and AGI Global offer a variety of entry-level positions, such as chemists or specialists that provide lab experience, or forensic analysts that work with and provide information to courts.
When on the path of becoming a forensic scientist, you need some sort of education to help support you. That being said, here's some of the educational requirements. It is important to have at least a bachelor's or master's degree in a natural science, which could include biology, chemistry, or physics. A degree in mathematics could work too. Certifications from different boards are also important. A lot of the training someone does when becoming a forensic scientist comes from doing internships, apprenticeships, and on-the-job training. This is usually under the guidance of a senior forensic scientist. Forensic science is a broad field, so there's a lot of different programs you could do. Examples could be forensic chemistry, forensic biology, criminal evidence, crime scene investigation, and courtroom proceedings. And lastly, forensic scientists with specialized knowledge tend to be in greater demand and can earn larger salaries. They can be skilled in ballistics, trace evidence, or DNA. Overall, as we now are at the end of our presentation, it is important to know what skills a forensic scientist should have. They need to be charismatic, adaptable, good at problem solving, communicating, and have good organization skills. Together, these skills can create a well-rounded forensic scientist. Becoming a forensic scientist seems like a great career to pursue, and it seems like an extremely rewarding one as well.